happen is the jaws close. There's a button in this switch. There's a button in this jaw that has a switch in it. And when the jaws close, it activates a solenoid in the back to say, okay, the line's tight, it's in here, the plunger can go down. Obviously right now it's not telling it that. It's saying, no, I don't want to cast this one. So, getting past that, the mats drop down. As you're hitting the keys, the mats are dropping down through here, coming down into the assembler down here. When they get all assembled in here, as long a line as you want or whatever, you raise the handle, they go up. These two little delivery fingers grab it and slide it over into the first elevator. When they get into the first elevator, this is the clutch. If the clutch is out, then it will automatically start cycling. This will go down. Goes up. Automatically starts cycling. All right, the plunger drops at this point, takes it up here. This pushes the mats over, and then they go back onto the distributor, and you'll hear it fall in a minute. There it went.
Do you want to turn on that light, and I will, Dave, I'll get a close-up and follow you via video.
That light, the bulb went.
Just got knocked off.
Yeah, that one. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, the mats have been assembled here in the line by typing. You raise them up. These two fingers are going to grab the line of mats, slide them over into the first elevator. When they get into the first elevator, this will drop down in front of the mold. The mold will come forward and the pot will come forward. And if everything's tight and right, the arm will drop and the plunger will push metal into there to get a line. So over, down. At this point, the pot comes over, the plunger should drop, and it did drop that time. Now they're pushing the mats back to the second elevator and taking them back up top. You'll hear them falling back in up top. Now how do they know where to go, you ask? I heard somebody ask that.
I know.
You know how that does it?
Yeah, it has the cutout at the top of each one. That V-shaped thing has different.
There's seven.
That allows them to drop in different places according to what they are, and all the E's, all the E's of that particular type set will have that same configuration. If it's a capital E, it'll be slightly different because it goes in a different slot.
Right. In fact, every type set will have the same combinations for a 90-channel magazine. They also make other styles magazine where the combinations are different, but everything you run on this machine, all the lowercase e's will have one certain combination. All the lowercase t's, a's, every typeface will have those same combinations so they can fall back in the right channel.
That's what I think is one of the coolest things about the whole thing, is how they figured that one out.
It's a binary system, and there's a way to figure it out. I've got it written down. In fact, I've printed it out from Jay's over there. He's got a chart that tells the top tooth, they'll think it's 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's binary. It goes 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so forth.
Yep.
And then you count which, you add the number of teeth together and divide it, and then minus 2, and that tells you what channel it goes in.
Cool. I'm sneaking behind.
Fingers and toes out of the way.
All fingers, all toes.
The arm
Yeah.
dropped that time. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Otherwise, if that wood went under there, it'd go clank and make a little noise.
It's kind of hard on the metal.
Yes. And the nerves sometimes.